All right, what's up, guys? The meet is over. Now we're gonna ride home. Take care, Zad. Enjoy the ride, guys. You're gonna love it. The meet was great. Had a good turnout for the first one. I guess it's been very busy for people with all the different events everywhere, and Mother's Day being tomorrow. But don't worry, guys. We'll have plenty more, so you guys can always show up on the next one. It's only gonna get bigger and better. I could probably set up some bike rides so I can incorporate that into this meet. Otherwise, definitely, you're most welcome to have your own rides prior or during the event and just have a little pit stop. This is what this event is designed for. It was great. A lot of people met one another, had a great talk, learned a lot of stuff about bikes and aftermarket or make your own mods, which is great. So let's turn on this bike. Okay, fire up the bike now. Austin Racing, phenomenal exhaust. If it was a little bit darker, this setup throws flames. I've seen it, and they do come up like this high that I done in my garage, and I was like, ooh, that is so beautiful. But let's get going. It's about 7:30, 7:40. It's gonna get dark soon. Testing out my Insta Ace Pro 2, and it's on the pure mode, which is night mode. Yeah, let's go.